Is your new O2 SIM card not working? Or are you wondering how to activate it the right way? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you the complete SIM. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to make calls, send texts, and use mobile data without any confusion. Before you begin, make sure you have your O2 SIM card, your smartphone, the SIM eject tool, and access to Wi-Fi if needed during activation. Turn off your phone first. Insert the O2 SIM card into the correct slot using the SIM tray. Turn your phone back on and wait for the O2 network to appear. If your SIM isn't already active, follow the activation instructions included with your SIM package. Sign into your O2 account if required. Complete the activation process. Some SIM cards activate automatically. Others may require a short setup. After activation, test your SIM by making a phone call, sending a text message, and checking your mobile data connection. If everything works, if your SIM isn't working, restart your phone. Check that the SIM is inserted correctly, make sure your device is unlocked, and allow some time for activation. And that's it! Your O2 SIM card is now ready to use. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions.